Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Android Auto in your Mazda CX-30. First, connect your Android phone to one of the USB ports in your vehicle. Make sure Android Auto is already installed and updated on your phone. Then, follow any on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. It's important to keep your phone unlocked during this initial setup process for a smooth connection. Once connected, you're ready to explore its features. Once Android Auto is running, you'll see a familiar interface on your Mazda's display. You can easily access your favorite apps, including navigation, music, and messaging. Use the commander knob and buttons on your center console to navigate through the menus. For ultimate convenience, simply use voice commands to control various functions, keeping your focus on the road ahead. You can also personalize your app layout from your phone. Android Auto brings many useful features directly to your car. Get precise turn-by-turn directions with live traffic updates, helping you avoid delays. You can effortlessly stream music and podcasts from your preferred services, all controlled through your car's system. Stay connected by sending and receiving messages using only your voice, and make or answer phone calls hands-free, ensuring a safer driving experience for everyone. If you encounter any issues, start by checking your USB cable for damage. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. Always ensure your phone's operating system and the Android Auto app are updated to their latest versions. For the most reliable connection, use a high-quality, short USB cable, as longer or cheaper cables can sometimes cause problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.